Hello student, nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel, Mr. Wadana, and you can call me Mr. Agus. This is a mathematics learning video. The purpose of this lesson is making you understand about data handling. Before I continue the lesson, please support me by subscribe this channel. It will help me to make you more learning video or something that interesting for you. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Okay, let's start the topic. The topic is about data handling for grade 6. This might something new for you. You will learn how to make your data stand out from the crowd and easy to learn and check, interesting and useful. So please pay attention to this video and listen carefully. If you have question, you can write your question in the comment column. Okay. Data handling is a crucial aspect of mathematics which relates to collecting, representing, and analyzing data in order to solve a problem. My focus in this video is giving you 3 ways that we can use for representing data, or we can say data visualization. The first way is about frequency distribution table. The second way is pictograph, and the third way is bar graph. For students in grade 6, 3 ways for representing data is enough for you. Although there are more than 10 ways for representing data actually. Let's start from the first, about frequency distribution table. The first is about frequency distribution table. It will be easy for you to start learn about the data handling from an example. I'll give one example for you here. Real Madrid Football Club has scored the following numbers of goals in recent games: 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 2, and 3. And the instruction is write the data given as a frequency distribution table. And the answer is like this. Remember, before making frequency distribution table, you have to arrange the data given in ascending order. And you have to know the meaning of the table. So the table will be like this. In the table, we have 2 columns here. The first column is a score that shows the goal that get from the Real Madrid Football Club in recent games. And the second column is about frequency. Frequency is how often something occurs. And in this case, so many matches that Real Madrid Football Club play in recent games. By counting frequency, we can make a frequency distribution table. So, in this table, we will see Real Madrid Football Club score 1 goal in 2 matches, 2 goals in 5 matches, 3 goals in 4 matches, 4 goals in 2 matches, and 5 goals in 1 match. If you write their data in frequency distribution table like this, it will be easy to know and get the information from the table. That's the first way to representing data given. The second way is pictograph. Pictograph is one way that you can use for representing data, but in this way you have to use a picture. I suggest you to choose a picture that has related with your data. For example, I choose the similar or same example here. And then, if you want to write the data given into picture graph, you have to arrange the data in ascending order, similar like frequency and distribution table. But the most important thing when you make a picture graph is putting note that consists the value of an image. Like I told you before, I suggest you to use an image that has related with the data given. In this case, this is about football. So I suggest you to choose an image that has related with football. For example, like this. I choose an image of ball. And I give note 1 ball equal to 2 games. So this table similar like frequency distribution table. Although in the second column we not use a number, but we use an image. So if you want to read the table given, the Real Madrid Football Club scored 1 goal in 2 matches or 2 games. 2 goals from 5 games or 5 matches. Because in this column we have 2 ball and a half ball. 2 ball means 4 games, and then half ball means 1 game. So the total game that play for Real Madrid Football Club scored 2 goals is 5 games. Real Madrid Football Club scored 3 goals in 4 matches or 4 games, and scoring 4 goals in 2 games. And the last one is scoring 5 goals in 1 game, because in this column we have a half of ball image. It means the Real Madrid Football Club score 5 goals in 1 game. Do you understand? Let's continue. Okay, the third is bar graph. Bar graph is one of popular way for representing data. Almost people using bar graph to represent their data because it will be easy to read and find out the information from this data. A bar graph, also called bar chart, is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. The highest bar means the data has the highest frequency. I chose same example with the first way and the second way. Real Madrid Football Club has scored the following numbers of goals in recent games, like this. And the instruction is write the data given as a bar graph. Same like the first way and the second way. You have to arrange the data given in ascending order because it will be easy to know the information that you got in the question. And then plot the data given in bar graph. In bar graph, we have 2 axes here. The horizontal line means how many games that Real Madrid play in recent week. And the vertical axis or vertical line is how many goals that Real Madrid scored in recent weeks. You can see the top bar is mean 5 goals in first game. The second bar is 4 goals in 2 games. The third bar is 3 goals in 4 games. And the next bar is 2 goals from 5 games. And the bottom bar is 1 goal in 2 games. Do you understand? I think that is enough for you and very clear for you. But if you're still confused about how to representing data and data handling, you can ask me a question, or if you have opinion, you can write your opinion in the comment column. I think that it's all about data handling. I would like to say thank you for your attention during watching this video, and see you again in the next video. Bye.